So we were here today to celebrate our Unlock event at Coastal Club of the Carolinas, and what we were unlocking was our newest collection of homes, the Villas collection here at Coastal Club. So it's 2 new models that we were excited to introduce to the public. This community is very unique because it offers a really big lifestyle push that we're excited to have our future homeowners be a part of. Here at Coastal Club, it's amazing, right on the North and South Carolina border. You're just under an hour to Wilmington and less than 45 minutes to get to Myrtle Beach. There's so many incredible amenities that surround this community here at Coastal Club. We have golf right around the corner, amazing dining experiences, shopping, and the beaches are less than 10 miles away. It's incredible. Residents are very excited to be here. They're super excited to get in at the ground level when we're just starting out.
Living here at the Coastal Club of the Carolinas, it's all about community, and I'm not just saying that. We are from New Jersey, and there's not really a lot of community up there. Everybody's kind of out for themselves. Living down here, it is just such a family already, and we're right at the beginning of it, so there's not many families here yet. Hopefully you'll come and you'll join part of this community and grow with us, but we absolutely love it, and we love the fact that we already know so many of our neighbors.
Play golf, go meet as we walk through the neighborhood, see their animals. It's been great.
It's going to be a really exciting time and a really exciting place for people to get to know one another and feel that community feel, not just build a new home, but really get to have that feel of being a part of something bigger.